How to change your phone number on Skrill. Looking for a quick and easy way to change your phone number on Skrill? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps without any confusion, so let's get started. This change must be completed in a web browser, not in the mobile app. Sign in, open Settings, select Personal Details, and choose Phone Number. Click Edit, select the correct country code, and enter your new number without changing the country code format. Next, choose where Skrill should send the first 6-digit confirmation code. You may be able to use your old phone number or your primary email depending on the authentication methods enabled on your wallet. Enter this first code within 15 minutes. Skrill will then send a second 6-digit code to the new phone number. Enter that code within 15 minutes as well to verify and save the change. If you no longer have the old number, choose Email Verification. If that option is missing, go to Settings, Security, Authentication Methods, and enable Email and PIN first. Contact support if you cannot access either method. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.